You can now take payments on site using Tap to Pay on iPhone. That means you can generate the invoice and collect payment instantly, right from your phone. It's simple, secure, and saves time for both you and your customers while improving your cash flow. Note, to use this feature, Fergus Pay must be set up on your account. If you haven't done this yet, check out our help guide for step-by-step setup instructions. Here's how it works. Open the Fergus Go app and navigate to the relevant job. Scroll down and tap Invoices. Tap Quick Invoice in the bottom right corner to generate a draft. Fergus will automatically pull in any existing job costs to save you time. Add any final line items or make adjustments as needed, then tap Approve Invoice. You'll then see an option to Tap to Pay on iPhone. Tap this option and Fergus will connect to your iPhone's contactless reader. Your customer can simply tap their card, phone, or smart device directly on your iPhone to pay. And that's it! It's fast, seamless, and secure, so you can get paid on the spot and keep your jobs moving. Try Tap to Pay on iPhone in Fergus Go today and start getting paid faster.